बानी जे। जी हाँ, बानी जज को तो आप सभी जानते ही हैं, जो रोडीज में जिन्होंने धमाकेदार परफॉर्मेंस देकर लोगों को अपना दीवाना बनाया था और फिर उसके बाद सलमान खान के सबसे विवादित शो का हिस्सा बनी थी, आरजे भी हैं। लेकिन अब आपको बता दें कि बानी जे अब एक वेब सीरीज में नजर आने वाली हैं और उस वेब सीरीज का हर कोई काफी बेसब्री से इंतजार भी कर रहा है। और आज हम आप सभी को उसी वेब सीरीज के बारे में बताने वाले हैं। नमस्कार, मैं हूं आपकी होस्ट सुगंध और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं बानी जे, आप सभी की फेवरेट और टैटू क्वीन, जो इतनी ज्यादा फिट है अक्सर वो अपना ज्यादातर समय सिर्फ और सिर्फ जिम में बिताती हैं, लेकिन अपने काम के प्रति उनकी लगन वाकई देखने लायक है। अपनी एक्सरसाइज के प्रति उनका प्यार वाकई देखने लायक है। लेकिन आज हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि किस तरीके से बानी जे एक बार फिर से कम बैक करने वाली है और दर्शकों के दिलों को बिल्कुल वो उनके दिलों में सनसनी मचाने वाली हैं अपनी बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस से। दरअसल उनकी वेब सीरीज शुरू हो रही है फॉर मोर शॉर्ट्स प्लीज। जी हाँ, ये वेब सीरीज Amazon प्राइम पर दिखाई देने वाली है और इसमें साइनी गुप्ता, बानी जे, मानवी और साथ ही साथ कृति कुलकर्णी नजर आने वाले हैं। और हाल ही में मीडिया से बातचीत के दौरान इन चारों लड़कियों ने काफी सारे बड़े खुलासे किए हैं। तो फिर आइए देखते हैं क्या कुछ कहा है बानी जे के साथ साथ बाकी इन तीन एक्ट्रेसेस ने मीडिया के सामने। जिस तरीके से खुलकर बात की है वो वाकई काबिल तारीफ है। अपने करियर की रोडीज से शुरुआत करने वाली एक्ट्रेस बानी जे, जी हाँ, अब वो जल्द ही एक बार फिर से कमबैक करने वाली हैं। दरअसल उनकी एक वेब सीरीज आ रही है जो Amazon प्राइम पर दिखाई जाएगी, जिसमें 4 लड़कियों की कहानी दिखाई जाएगी। इस वेब सीरीज में सयानी गुप्ता, बानी जे, मानवी गागरू, कृति कुलहरी, ये 4 एक्ट्रेसेस नजर आने वाली हैं और ये वेब सीरीज वाकई धमाकेदार साबित होने वाली है। आपको बता दें कि हाल ही में प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के दौरान इन चारों एक्ट्रेसेस ने मीडिया से काफी सारी बातचीत की, यहाँ तक कि बानी जे ने अपने रोल का भी खुलासा किया। इस वेब सीरीज का नाम फॉर मोर शॉर्ट्स प्लीज है और ये वेब सीरीज 4 लड़कियों की कहानी के ऊपर बनाई गई है, जिसमें अगर बात की जाए बानी जे के बारे में तो बानी जे इसमें एक बायसेक्सुअल का किरदार निभा रही हैं। बानी जे इसमें बायसेक्सुअल होती हैं और बड़ी ही बेबाकी से वो अपनी जिंदगी को जीती हैं। तो फिर आइए देखिए क्या कुछ खास रहा हमारे इस वीडियो में और क्या कुछ कहा है इन चारों एक्ट्रेसेस ने अपनी वेब सीरीज को लेकर और इनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा।
Watching it, we will get into that world. Bani, the character that you are playing over here, and so Umang is her name, right? And she seems like a very bindas, chilled out chick. I mean, I know a lot of us are very chilled out, and you are also in real life. Or with that, do you think there is like a similarity between how you are in real life and your character?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, I definitely related a lot with Umang as a character, and I think that's why I also just agreed to do the show when I read about her character. I mean, I didn't have any hesitations with it. I was like, yeah, let's just do this. There needs to be a character like this for mainstream Indian watching to be available. I was just like, there's no character like this. We haven't had one like this. We haven't had somebody who's even slightly known playing a character like this. You know, written by a female, about a female, telling the story from a female point of view. You guys are going to get so sick of hearing this, but we want you to know our side of the story. So it's just really important, and I was just like, you know, I felt really up to playing it, and I would not have done it if I didn't think that I could do justice to it. So I just went in without any reservations whatsoever, because I was like, that is how I live my life, without any reservations whatsoever. I want to bring that to Umang as her character, and just, yeah, kick it in the balls, man. That's what I did.
As you just said in the trailer and told us as well. Kirti, for you, you're playing this, and it really does come across as a fiercely independent single parent.
Badass.
A badass? Is that what she gets called?
A lovable badass.
A lovable badass single parent. And what was it like for you to put yourself in that position? Put yourself in those shoes. I know that for all of us, all our characters don't have to be a reflection of our personality, and then we have to get into those shoes.
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of this very, very special day, and so thank you. Coming to my character of Anjana, playing a single parent who is extremely independent and who comes across as someone who knows what she's doing and who knows where she's heading in life. Firstly, I think just the fact that you're an actor, you don't, people ask you like, how did you play this or how did you play that? But I think that's a very basic answer to that is, I'm an actor and I'm supposed to play anything and everything that comes my way. Of course, no, I'm not a parent myself. Of course, I'm not a single parent at all. So I just played it the way I would play any character. Yes, there was a child involved, but I personally feel I'm very good with kids. So for me, that thing towards kids comes to me very, very easily. And for, I don't know how and how the makers could see that in me. She is going to be a good mother. Let's take her for Anjana. So I have still not figured that. Sorry? Hot mother. Okay. So I think it's you see what you see in terms of that's just one side of Anjana in terms of whatever you just called her, but there is this other side to her which is as vulnerable, as insecure, as complex, as and as flawed as any of us sitting here. So I had a great time exploring Anjana through Kirti and finding Kirti through Anjana. I think that's a very, that's how I would like to put it. And let's see what she finally looks like.
Let's hope that she finds her way home. Oh, okay. I haven't seen the show. Okay. Manvi, this is for you. And Siddhi's character, she comes across as young, vulnerable. I mean, this is just what I'm basing a little bit on what I saw. But what was it about her, that character, that attracted you to her? She's looking at you.
For one, I just wanted to be a part of this project. By hook or by crook, I wanted to, because it was just, I mean, again, I'm sorry for repeating it, but just so many women together in this time and age, and it's just such an exciting time to be working together, and it's that synergy that we felt on set, which I didn't know initially before getting in. I was hoping that would be there, and it was. So it was basically the project which attracted me to it. Besides that, then the names involved with the project, which is all these faces that you're seeing right next to me. And then about Siddhi and this, but this came in later, right? And then of course about Siddhi, what I found very exciting personally as an actor was that I had never played a character which was vulnerable, which was externally, overtly very subservient and, sorry? Innocent. No, I've played innocent characters before, but just, yes? I'm the
Hi, mom, hi, dad.
yes, a virginal character. And yeah, and her she's very, internally she's very complex, I feel, as a character, Siddhi. And I just wanted to get into that, just jump into that psyche of all the complexities that she comes with. And that was really exciting for me. I think I might have overthought also in the process, but I'm hoping it shows. So yeah.
All right, so ladies and gentlemen, you've heard from the cast over here, and taking off on the previous conversation that we were having, just one quick question for each of you as well. Anu, when you came on board, were you always very clear that this would be a show about women?
I think the show has amazing men. I mean, and they, as you've seen, you've got a thing. So, I mean, I don't think it's about just being, women, but I think women and men have to coexist. So obviously, the protagonists are women. So I think once you become a director, then you're telling a story. So I think to me, it was about, telling a story. And just what I also, I think, found very powerful was you know, the unapologetic nature of, you know, storytelling, and to say it as it is. So there's no like sort of euphemisms, you know, there's no double meaning. It's, you know, stuff we talk about in, you know, when friends get together, with things that, you know, we talk in the loo or when we get drunk. So in that sense, you know, you wanted to capture the energy of friendship. So I think I just followed, and to be honest, I remember reading the script, and I remember reading the opening scene and texting Rongita and saying, I'm like, you have to, you know, get me on this.
वेल दोस्तों, आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। हमें दे दीजिए इजाजत, क्योंकि अब वक्त हो गया है आप सभी से विदा लेने का और इस प्रोग्राम का यहीं पर दी एंड करने का। लेकिन आप और भी तमाम मजेदार खबरों से जुड़े रहने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल ना भूलें हमारे चैनल Next 9 न्यूज को।